Hi everyone, another quick tutorial to all beginners on Microsoft Excel. So this episode is all about on how to do auto numbering in exact order. So let's start. First one, just write down number 1 and 2 and just highlight these two numbers, and you see the bottom right corner and drag it down. Then that's it. Okay, second option, we do a manual clicking. So go editing and fill, choose series, and dialog box appear, and choose rows or columns. What do you want? And fill what number is it. 1 to 20, start of 1 and stop at 20, like this. Okay, and immediately fill numbers by 1 to 20. So we do it by columns. So choose columns, again choose 1, we do it 25, 1 to 25, and click OK. Is it finished?
Yes!